Struggling with a drafty fireplace that's making your whole room feel like an icebox? Alright, so if your fireplace is letting cold air sneak in, first off, think about getting some glass doors put on it. They're great because they act like a barrier, keeping the chilly breeze outside where it belongs, while still letting you enjoy the look of the fire. Next up, draft stoppers are super simple and cheap. They block those sneaky gaps where air creeps in at the bottom of doors or even around windows near your fireplace. You can even roll up a thick towel or buy one of those fabric draft blockers and place it right there. Also, check if your chimney damper is fully closed when the fireplace isn't in use, because an open damper is like an open door for cold air to come in. Another tip, sealing cracks around your fireplace with some heat-resistant caulk can stop drafts without messing with how your fireplace works. Make sure to keep your fireplace clean too. Soot buildup can sometimes block airflow and mess with efficiency. And finally, think about adding some weather stripping to the fireplace doors or nearby windows to keep every last bit of cold air out and warm air in. These little tricks combined can make a huge difference without costing you a fortune or needing a ton of work. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fixing a drafty fireplace is ignoring the chimney damper. If it's left open, you're basically inviting cold air straight into your living space. Fix it by always closing that damper tightly when you're not using the fire. Another common slip-up is not having proper glass doors installed. Some folks just cover the opening with a screen, which doesn't really stop drafts. Investing in good quality glass doors is key because they seal better and look way nicer too. Lastly, skipping the small stuff like sealing cracks around the fireplace can leave you frustrated since cold air finds every tiny gap. Using heat-resistant caulk or foam sealant around those cracks stops air leaks and keeps your home cozy. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix stuff like drafty fireplaces and more. Contractors also get a steady flow of work from folks who actually need their skills, so it's a win-win for everyone involved.